In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically generate citations and bibliographies. Save time with QuillBot. We'll start in your browser. Head to Google, type QuillBot, and open the official QuillBot website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled View More Tools. Click that, and then choose Citation Generator. This is where we'll create accurate citations in just a few clicks. To add your first reference, enter the source. You can paste a web page link, a DOI, a book title, an article title, or an ISBN, whatever you have on hand. QuillBot will search for the details and fill in the author, title, publisher, and date when available. Take a quick moment to scan what it finds. If anything looks off or a field is missing, you can fix it directly so your citation is complete and correct. When it looks right, click Cite. That adds the formatted citation to your list. Now repeat the same process for your next source. Enter another source, let QuillBot pull the details, check them for accuracy, and click Cite again. If you have a third reference, go ahead and enter another source and click Cite once more. The workflow is simple. Enter, review, and cite as many times as you need. As you add more citations, QuillBot automatically compiles them into a single bibliography or works cited page. This keeps everything consistent and ready to use in your paper or project, so you don't have to build the list by hand or worry about punctuation and ordering rules. At any point, you can edit or update citations. Open any entry to correct capitalization, add missing page numbers, or adjust details like edition and publisher. If you no longer need an item, delete it. You can also reorder your list to match your preferences. And if you only need one reference for a handout or slide, export that individual citation. These controls make it easy to maintain a clean, accurate bibliography as your research evolves. That's all there is to it. By using QuillBot's citation generator, opening the site, choosing the tool, entering your sources, clicking Cite, and managing your list, you can build citations and a polished bibliography in minutes and keep them updated without stress. Give it a try on your next assignment and save yourself a lot of time and formatting headaches. Whether your sources are web pages, journal articles, books, or videos, the process is identical, and your bibliography stays clean and consistent across assignments. If you ever pause and return later, everything is saved in one place for quick updates.